Hey, hi, I'm Jacqueline Dorman from Chakra Life, and I want to talk to you about a spiritual workshop that we put on about once a year. And it's a spiritual study class, and it comes from a lot of my interesting gifts and techniques that are, of course, because I have been unable to see the 3D world my entire life. So I was also very ill as a child, and techniques that are taught are the ones that they gave me as a child to help me get through all of the crazy stuff that 3D had to offer me, which was a lot. So in Energy Radiance, we want to share these techniques, and you're going to meet the masters that work with us it's Luminous Energy, and it used to be called Energy Radiance, but Luminous Energy contains far more information than Energy Radiance ever thought of doing, because we get into so much more than we did in the classes that were before. So this is a new series that is in 2 parts, and it has the spiritual part, which is a 4-week workshop coming up in April, and then the healing part, which will be an in-person practical workshop that will happen after the original Luminous Energy spiritual. So you have to do the spiritual study, and then you do the healing study. Anyway, but it's a lot of fun. And the thing is that as we are working in transition and we are moving forward to the 5th, a lot of what you're trying to comprehend about 5D can only be done through your extrasensories. So we talk a lot about that. We connect you with all of your extra senses in the study course, the one that's coming up in April. And we want you to become more 5D connected. And that has always been the purpose of this workshop. So you're going to learn how to remove conflict. You're going to learn how to feed yourself light on a regular basis, which is a first step to prana. But you're going to do that, and then you're going to learn how to create a vortex within yourself to not only block negativity, but remove it. So that's really important, and we do that. And then we connect you with the understanding. In the weekly connections, I talk about the central sun and certain celestials. So we're also going to connect you with that so that you understand the different aspects through time, where we're heading to now, what it means, and who are those celestials, and what is the central sun that we connect to. Because within that, we're also going to teach you how to connect to the mother and her aura and energy field. And then you also, we talk about the 7 laws of nature. So, we also want to work about what we can change, what we cannot. And then, of course, the last technique that you learn is how to remove your neuroses. Because I don't know about you, but sometimes I can be neurotic. So it's really helpful. So this class is all about techniques for bettering yourself, for expanding yourself, and to move us all into the 5th dimension. So I hope you'll join me. Go on my website, chakralife.com, and sign up. Thank you. Bye.